Hello everyone, this is Tamil Chelvi from the Department of Computer Science and Design, SNS College of Engineering. In today's video, my student Sahana and Jayajyoti going to share about the prompt engineering. As we all know, today AI tools rules the world. So prompt engineering is an important role in that. So let's listen their ideas.
Jayajyoti from second year CST department. I'm here to present about prompt engineering, how it works in our daily life. So prompt engineering is nothing but means writing a clear instruction to get the best answers from AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. So how it works, it is based on two frameworks. Answers AI answers based on two things. It's training data and how you frame your question, so that it can be easy to understand for the AI to get the desired output. For example, if you say write about the environment, it is too broad. It is too broad. If you say write a 200-word article on the effects of climate change and agriculture in India, you will get a clear output what you have asked for. For example, if you say write about the environment, it is too broad. It is too broad. If you say write a 200-word article on the effects of climate change and agriculture in India, you will get a clear output what you have asked for. The fifth one, the next is crafting the perfect prompt. There are three golden rules for crafting the perfect prompt. First one is clarity, second is context, and the third one is constraint. Clarity is on how you give your prompt, which will be easy to understand to the AI. The next is context, give enough background, and the constraint is about word count and tone and key points. For example, instead of saying write a resume summary, you can say write a professional resume summary for a person with 3 years of IT project management experience. There is an iterative refinement in a prompt. The first one is write a prompt, see the AI's answer, improve your prompt by adding some details. It can be useful for your sake. The next one is real life applications. First, we use in education. The students can use prompts for personalized learning, study aids, and creating a writing for with their creativity. Next one is business and healthcare. In business, we use chatbots for customer support, and in healthcare, doctors use prompts to get the quick diagnosis or treatment ideas. It helps with drug results also. Finally, I conclude that prompt engineering is not just a technical thing; it is a life skill. So the way you ask your question shapes the answer you get. Learning to do makes the life easier in work, business, and health and science. Thank you.
Today, we are going to see about a prompt engineering, how it works in today's world. In today's world, AI is everywhere from chatbot to writing tool. But to get the most out of AI, we need to know how to talk to it. That's where the prompt engineering comes in. Understanding of prompt engineering is about creating the right instructions for AI so it gives us a response we want. If we ask poorly, AI might get confused. But if we ask clearly, we get much response with better answers. That's where the prompt engineering is more important, and it improves the communication between people and AI. How does it work? It has a 3 steps: structure, iteration, and context. Structure is nothing but about a clear, well-paced prompt help the AI to understand better. Iteration is about testing and refining prompt until we get a better answers. Context is about adding details like background, tone, or format makes response more accurate. In real life application, prompt engineering is used in a customer service, like companies designing a prompt so chatbot gives a fast and accurate replies. In content writing, people use a prompt to brainstorm, creating outlines or fully writing articles. In translation, prompt guides AI to get not only translating words but also capturing the tone and meaning correctly. Benefits of prompt engineering is first, better quality of answers, second, saving time, and third, empowering the users. Challenges in prompt engineering is about if the prompt or use unclear, the answers are also unclear. Since AI keep improving, prompt needs to be updated regularly to stay effectively. In future, prompt engineering is the most advanced technique. So the key message is the better we ask, the better AI answers, and makes our work and lives easier. Thank you.